If you're seeing an itch.io PayPal error when trying to buy a game, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step. This usually happens because of a currency mismatch, a developer-side payment issue, or a site-wide transaction error. And the good news is that there are a few simple things you can try before giving up on the purchase. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, let's start with the most common fix, which is changing your PayPal card currency. If your payment is getting blocked, open your PayPal account and go to your wallet. From there, click on the funding card you're using for the purchase. Inside the card settings, look for the currency preferences and set it to a globally accepted currency such as USD, AUD, EUR, or GBP. This matters because some itch.io payments can fail if PayPal is trying to process the transaction in a currency that doesn't match the store or your card settings. Once you update the currency, go back and try the payment again. In many cases, this alone can clear the error and let the transaction go through normally. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is whether the issue is related to the specific game or developer. Sometimes the problem is not your PayPal account at all. It may be caused by the developer's direct payment settings, or the creator may have an inactive or misconfigured account. If that's the case, you can try leaving a comment on the game's page and politely asking if others are having the same issue. You can also reach out to the creator directly if they have contact information available. This step is important because if the developer's payment setup is the problem, there may be nothing wrong on your end and only the creator can fix it. Now, if you're getting a more specific error code like P563167 P5906848 or a 422 error, then you should treat it as a site-wide or transaction-level issue. Write down the exact error code you see, because that information is very useful when reporting the problem. Then go to the official itch.io support request page at itch.io/support. Submit the code, explain what you are trying to buy, and include any details about the payment attempt so the support team can track the stuck transaction. The more accurate your report is, the easier it is for itch.io to investigate what went wrong. A good habit is to test one fix at a time. First, update your PayPal currency, then try the purchase again. If it still fails, check whether the issue happens on only one game or across multiple purchases. If it's only one game, the developer may need to look into it. If it's happening everywhere and you're seeing a real error code, then contacting itch.io support is the best next move. Also, make sure your PayPal account is fully verified and that your card has enough funds available for the transaction. Sometimes the error looks like a platform issue, but it's actually caused by payment verification problems, regional restrictions, or a temporary block from PayPal itself. Giving your account a quick check can save you a lot of time. So to recap, the three main fixes are: set your PayPal card currency to a supported option like USD, AUD, EUR, or GBP. Contact the developer if the issue seems tied to a specific game, and report exact error codes to itch.io support if the problem looks site-wide. Following those steps will solve most itch.io PayPal errors, or at least point you in the right direction. If this video helped you out, please tap like, subscribe for more tech fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with a specific error code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.